Hello everyone. Selamat pagi, selamat siang, selamat malam, selamat sore. Welcome to Atosa Group Channel. #ngobrol di rumah. And on the very first episode, kita kedatangan dua tamu very special saat ini. From the fashion industry, we have Ahmad Syamsuri Muda. Hi.
Halo, hi
And then we
everyone.
have
Selamat siang.
Wilson Willem. Halo Wilson.
Hai, selamat siang semuanya.
First of all, thank you for joining us di Ngobrol di Rumah bareng Atosa Group. Ahmad boleh disapa teman-temannya?
Hi
Ya,
everyone, nama aku Amos Syamsuri Muda. Aku seorang fashion designer. I have a brand namanya Amos Syamsuri Muda. I'm a menswear fashion designer.
Kalau Wilson, boleh disapa juga dong?
Hai semua, nama saya Wilson. I'm a designer, period, men's, women, semua.
So, jadi kalian berdua, basically you have your own brand lah intinya kan. You guys kayak nggak kenal satu sama lain dulu, and then through events, this and that, akhirnya kalian ketemu gitu, dan akhirnya kenalan gitu ya.
Akhirnya kita saling berkenalan dan kayak benar-benar sometimes when I don't know how things work and everything, I just call,
Yep.
ini gimana sih caranya gitu.
Oh, that's really nice ya.
Ahmad is more, he knows people, he knows things. Sedangkan kalau gue lebih teknikal kali ya. I feel that I don't easily talk well with people yang gue nggak kenal. Jadinya kayak kebalikannya Ahmad is very friendly, he easily get to know people. Kalau gue kebalikan, gue agak awkward gitu sebenarnya.
So you guys just complete each other aja gitu. But you guys have your own brand. That's really nice, guys.
That's really nice.
Have you guys collaborated before?
Kolaborasi sih enggak, show bareng doang sih. Show bareng doang.
Show bareng aja.
Iya, style kita kebetulan beda banget ya, kayak
beda banget.
Gue, tapi kayak everybody udah tahu kalau kita itu temenan. Kalau misalnya pairing barengan kita itu nggak ribet gitu loh. Misalnya kayak, nanti desainer lainnya Ahmad, terus gue kayak, oke, boleh. Kalau misalnya yang dia approach Ahmad, ya kayak desainernya Wilson dia juga oke gitu.
You know what, guys? Yeah. This is one of the reasons we created this Ngobrol di Rumah. Terus gue yang kayak, kayak Ahmad sama Wilson, they have to be in the same platform with us. Kayaknya bakal seru ngobrolnya.
Justru lucunya gini, I think when people tuh pasti ada stigmata lah about fashion people. Kan kayak fashion people tuh apa sih, galak, apalah, bici, sombong, and all that. Apparently sebenarnya itu tuh enggak. Sama Obas tuh benar-benar really help each other, have each other back aja ya. I think not a lot of people realize about that gitu.
Agak geng-gengan aja sih sebenarnya kalau yang di fashion gitu, kayak and me, we don't hang out with like certain gang designer. We don't hang out much with an older designer or the kita sih masih main sama desainer baru ya gitu.
Aku sih main sama siapa aja.
Rendah hati ya, jangan sombong semuanya. We're in this together anyway.
We're in this together, especially the industry. I don't know, maybe after all this the industry gonna change so much. Gue juga nggak tahu bakal kayak apa ke depannya. So yeah.
Ya, itu yang gue mau nanya ke kalian semua nih ya. So, in a personal level, with this whole situation, how is it affected you guys on a personal level, and of course the business wise ya?
I hope everything will get back to kembali seperti semula. Tapi kayak itu kan perlu waktu lagi gitu. Jadi aku juga jujur belum tahu ke depannya kayak apa. What we can do right now is prepare ourselves aja sih. Me and kayak my friends gitu, kayak we really prepare ourselves for what's coming after this gitu. Karena we believe, and I think that juga every industry, kita nggak cuma ngomongin masalah fashion doang di sini ya. I think every industry will have changes one way or another gitu. Jadi kayak so far masih belum berdampak banget. Tapi kan kita mesti prepare juga ke depannya kayak apa gitu.
Kalau Wilson, what is your preparation so far?
Gue sih sebenarnya untuk this whole chaos sih, of course it's not a good thing. Cuma just look at it in a positive way gitu. Kayak I feel that for my stage I'm very fortunate karena gue nggak punya banyak karyawan gitu-gitu. Maksudnya family gue masih bisa bantu, gue masih ada savings gitu-gitu. I just feel bad for people who is in a more problematic state than me gitu loh. Kalau gue sendiri sih, I just take it as a break for now, and then gue sih pengen experimenting on the most difficult part yang gue nggak bisa break away from, which is actually studying my customer better gitu loh. Actually a total change. I love changes, sedangkan dari tim gue dan manajemen gue kagak gitu suka sama yang namanya perubahan gitu loh. Terus ini kan jadinya mau nggak mau harus ada perubahan khusus dalam strategi marketing ya. Jadinya, I think it's a good opportunity sih to check it out gitu loh.
So you actually take this moment to take a break, to study the market, to study your customers well. Do you practice on new design atau new style, or what's next in the future?
Gue sih pastinya I'm getting to understand better what is the core of my brand gitu loh. Jadi brand gue itu apa sih, produknya itu harusnya apa sih. Since I started, it's been a roller coaster ya buat gue. Jadi kayak sekali naik itu cepat banget. And then guanya juga in terms of emotion and everything catch up kan. Jadinya gue sebagai designer tuh I become very greedy in terms of kayak gue pengen bikin sesuatu yang baru nih, gue pengen gini nih, pengen gitu loh. Jadi kayak jadi BM gitu loh, banyak mau. And then I think this opportunity makes me lebih kalem, lebih lazy maybe.
Oh,
jadi gue tuh
I can't wait to meet the new Wilson.
Iya, jadi lebih chill aja. Jadinya gue tuh nggak, in terms of design juga gue jadinya merevisi apa sih sebenarnya yang jualan di brand gue gitu loh. Instead of trying to bikin siluet baru atau mengeluarkan sesuatu yang baru banget, gue tuh jadi pengen kayak turning the brand into a proper lifestyle aja gitu loh.
You know, Wilson just talk about taking a break lah ceritanya, calm down a bit, this and that gitu. Allah sendiri di sekarang di situation kayak gini, are you still considering it as a, you know, a break moment atau calming down yourself atau gimana?
Calming down definitely karena I think from the last tuh dari Maret tahun lalu itu tuh non-stop banget sampai terakhir show tuh kemarin Februari Januari itu tuh non-stop banget for all of us in our team. Jadi benar-benar kayak I think I'm taking this time tiba-tiba untuk kayak mungkin sama kayak Wilson just to reflect back on things that we've done and for me the mistake that I've made kayak ternyata ini kurang ini ya, this one is kurang ini and prepare ourselves for what's coming gitu. This so-called break kayak benar-benar buat ya introspeksi diri lah kasarnya gitu.
We are now cannot wait to see the new you guys, the new Ahmad and the new Wilson. Moving on, what do you guys think? What's happening with the fashion industry right now?
Okay, kalau menurut aku, the fashion industry the past few years has been like moving very fast. Tapi tiba-tiba something happen like this. I think just like any other industry, fashion industry itu benar-benar kayak we just stood still, do nothing and waiting for things to happen. It's good for us at this time of the year to prepare ourselves and introspeksi diri aja.
Fashion is a lot to do with ekonomi ya. Jadi for the past few years itu has been quite difficult ya. Karena kita itu ada di periode yang namanya recession period gitu loh. And then this corona thingy just makes things dari we are trying to survive itu become jadi kayak ground zero banget gitu loh. Selalu ada perubahan gitu loh di event-event besar seperti ini. Contohnya kayak perang dunia gitu loh. I mean like fashion changes so dramatically gitu loh, dari selalu pakai corset, etc. And then they started wearing things like rok yang bisa everyday wear gitu loh. So that's like where I feel the ready to wear was born is after World War, and then this period itu kita seperti dilanda perang gitu loh. Jadi kayak the entire world suffer economically. Jadi lo itu nggak tahu ekspektasi klien itu bakalan jadi gimana. Apakah mereka akan go environment gitu loh, because environmentally it changes so much gitu loh. Apakah orang akan berubah jadi digital gitu loh, seperti kayak dulunya kan kita physically has to work, and then now work from home became a thing. Ternyata lebih efektif untuk banyak orang, dan you know I want to wear something yang I can slip in but work in from home gitu loh.
Masker it could be one of the fashion item juga sih. You know, the last questions is a very simple one. Once everything back to normal, what do you guys want to do?
Oh, the first thing
I know what you're gonna do.
No, I'm not gonna say it here. Maybe I'll go out to meet my friends for a buffet.
I'm gonna do things that I usually don't appreciate, like shopping, like nonton gitu-gitu, and then I'm going to hang out more gitu loh.
But after this, I will invite you guys. Obviously, I'll have you guys back to Art Hotel. Kita catch up more. Drink, cocktails, this and that, live music. Pokoknya after everything is done. Well, that's it from Ngobrol di Rumah. dari Artotel Group. Thank you so much Wilson Willem dan Ahmad Syamsuri for being here at Zoom discussion with us. One final courage word for the others yang masih bertahan di rumah, gimana?
First of all, thank you so much for having me, and yaudah, you guys stay safe, and I'll see you guys very soon once the road is open.
Kalau gue sih thank you udah nonton, and yang hemat, yang sehat, stay at home, be productive, meskipun gue nggak produktif tapi be productive.